This is a quick color change tutorial for Tapestry Crochet when you're working on the right side of your piece. In this example, I'm going to be crocheting about 10 stitches in the black across and then switching to my beige color. And here I'm also going to show you how I float the yarn behind. I'm going to be doing about 5 stitches here first, and then I will float the yarn behind the 5th stitch, and then I will continue on with the remaining 5 stitches. And here I am on the last stitch of my black color. I will float my beige color again. I'll start the stitch as usual, but then I will put the working yarn towards the back and pick up the new color and finish the stitch with the new color. And that's how you do a color change. Next, we are going to do 2 stitches here in the beige and do another color change. So there's 1, and start the 2nd stitch with the beige color, but I am floating the black behind it. Then I put the working yarn towards the back and finish the stitch with the new color. And that's basically how it's done. You continue that all along your piece, always changing the color on the last stitch of the previous color.